Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SpanishBuddy. I'm Sophia, and we're so happy you're joining us today for another practical Spanish lesson.
And I'm Carlos. Thanks for spending some time with us. We hope you're ready to improve your Spanish speaking skills with real-life conversations.
Today, we're talking about something that comes up every single day: time and schedules.
That's right. Whether you're meeting friends, catching a flight, going to work, attending a class, or making plans, you need to know how to talk about time in Spanish.
I remember when I first started learning another language, I accidentally showed up an hour early for a meeting because I misunderstood the time.
That's actually pretty common. Understanding time expressions can save you from a lot of confusion.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask for the time, tell the time, talk about your daily schedule, make appointments, and discuss plans naturally in Spanish.
You'll also learn common expressions that native speakers use every day.
Plus, we'll practice pronunciation and real conversations so you can build confidence.
Here's a question for you. Have you ever tried asking for the time in Spanish or talking about your schedule with a Spanish speaker?
Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience.
And if you're enjoying these lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy.
Every like and comment helps us create more useful Spanish content for learners around the world.
Grab a notebook if you'd like, and get ready to repeat some Spanish phrases out loud.
Remember, speaking is the fastest way to improve.
All right, let's jump into today's lesson about time and schedules in Spanish.
Let's start with the most important question.
¿Qué hora es? What time is it?
Repeat after me.
¿Qué hora es?
Great job.
When someone tells the time in Spanish, they often start with
Es la una. It's 1 o'clock.
repeat after me.
Es la una.
Very good.
For other hours, we use
Son las dos. It's 2 o'clock.
son las tres. It's 3 o'clock.
Son las cuatro. It's 4 o'clock.
Repeat after me.
Son las dos.
Son las tres.
Excellent.
Let's learn some useful examples.
Son las 5 de la tarde. It's 5 in the afternoon.
Son las ocho de la mañana. It's 8 in the morning.
Son las 10 de la noche. It's 10 at night.
Notice how Spanish often includes parts of the day.
De la mañana means in the morning.
De la tarde means in the afternoon.
De la noche means at night.
Repeat after me.
De la mañana.
De la tarde.
De la noche.
Fantastic.
Now let's learn how to ask about schedules.
A very common question is,
¿A qué hora empieza? What time does it start?
repeat after me.
¿A qué hora empieza?
Here's a simple answer.
Empieza a las 9. It starts at 9.
Repeat after me.
Empieza a las 9.
Great.
Another useful question is,
¿A qué hora termina? What time does it end?
and the answer could be,
Termina a las 5.
very useful for work, school, and appointments.
Let's look at a daily schedule example.
Me despierto a las 7. I wake up at 7.
Trabajo a las 8. I work at 8.
Almuerzo a las 12. I have lunch at 12.
Ceno a las 7. I have dinner at 7.
Repeat after me.
Me despierto a las 7.
Almuerzo a las 12.
Excellent.
Let's practice a mini conversation.
¿A qué hora trabajas?
Trabajo a las 8.
¿A qué hora almuerzas?
Almuerzo a las 12.
Very natural and common.
Now let's talk about availability.
Estoy libre a las 3. I'm free at 3.
No estoy libre mañana. I'm not free tomorrow.
Repeat after me. Estoy libre a las 3. No estoy libre mañana.
Great job.
Can you say this in Spanish?
What time is it?
¿Qué hora es?
It starts at 7.
Empieza a las 7.
Excellent.
Don't worry if this feels new. The more you hear and repeat these expressions, the more natural they'll become.
Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to build confidence.
Keep repeating the phrases with us.
Quick summary. Today we learned how to ask for the time, tell the time, ask when something starts or ends, and talk about simple schedules.
These are essential expressions you'll hear every day.
And they're the foundation for real Spanish conversations about time and schedules.
Great job so far. Now let's take these time expressions and use them in real-life conversations.
This is where Spanish becomes practical and useful.
Imagine you're meeting a friend for coffee.
Here's a natural conversation.
Hola, Carlos. ¿A qué hora nos vemos? Hi, Carlos. What time shall we meet?
Nos vemos a las 10. Let's meet at 10.
Perfecto. Nos vemos entonces. Perfect. See you then.
Very simple and very common.
Repeat after me.
¿A qué hora nos vemos?
Nos vemos a las 10.
Excellent.
Now let's imagine you're at a restaurant.
Maybe you're making a reservation.
Tengo una reserva para las 7. I have a reservation for 7.
Repeat after me.
Tengo una reserva para las 7.
Nice job.
Here's another useful phrase.
La mesa estará lista en 10 minutos. The table will be ready in 10 minutes.
Native speakers use time expressions like this constantly.
Let's move to a travel situation.
Imagine you're at the airport.
¿A qué hora sale el vuelo? What time does the flight leave?
Sale a las 8:30. It leaves at 8:30.
Repeat after me.
Sale a las 8:30.
Great. Y media means and a half.
So 8:30 means 8:30.
Another example.
Son las 2:30.
It's 2:30.
Repeat after me. Son las 2:30.
Excellent.
Let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal.
¿A qué hora llegas? What time are you arriving?
Formal.
¿A qué hora llega usted? What time are you arriving?
Use the informal version with friends and family.
Use the formal version with customers, older people, or in professional situations.
Here's a texting conversation.
Hola, ¿llegas a tiempo? Hi, are you arriving on time?
Sí, llego en 5 minutos.
Very natural Spanish.
Repeat after me.
Llego en 5 minutos.
Great.
Let's do a short role play.
Sophia, what time does your class start?
Mi clase empieza a las 9.
And what time does it finish?
Termina a las 11.
Perfect.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat after me.
Mi clase empieza a las 9.
Mi clase termina a las 11.
Excellent pronunciation.
Here are 3 tips for talking about schedules naturally.
First, always learn useful chunks of language.
For example, ¿a qué hora? And empieza a las.
Second, practice saying times out loud every day.
Third, use Spanish when planning your own day.
For example,
Trabajo a las 8.
almuerzo a las 12, ceno a las 7.
This helps the vocabulary become automatic. We also want to hear from you.
What time do you usually wake up?
Try writing the answer in Spanish in the comments.
Even simple sentences are excellent practice.
Before moving on, let's review important expressions.
¿A qué hora nos vemos? What time shall we meet?
Nos vemos a las 10.
Let's meet at 10. ¿A qué hora sale el vuelo?
What time does the flight leave?
Sale a las 8:30.
It leaves at 8:30.
Llego en 5 minutos.
I'll arrive in 5 minutes. Excellent. Now let's move on to natural daily Spanish and everyday schedules.
Now let's focus on natural daily Spanish. This is the kind of Spanish you'll hear every day when people talk about the routines, appointments, and schedules.
Exactly. Native speakers constantly discuss what they're doing today, tomorrow, and later this week.
Let's start with a very common question.
¿Qué haces hoy? What are you doing today?
Repeat after me.
¿Qué haces hoy?
Great.
Here are some natural answers.
Trabajo hasta las 5.
I work until 5. Tengo una reunión a las 3. I have a meeting at 3.
Voy al gimnasio a las 6.
I'm going to the gym at 6. Repeat after me.
Tengo una reunión a las 3.
Voy al gimnasio a las 6.
Excellent.
Here's another common expression.
Estoy ocupado esta mañana.
I'm free this morning. Estoy libre esta tarde. I'm free this afternoon.
Repeat after me.
Estoy ocupado esta mañana.
Estoy libre esta tarde.
Very useful phrases.
Let's imagine you're introducing your schedule to a new coworker.
Mi horario es de 8 a 4. My schedule is from 8 to 4.
Horario means schedule.
Pronunciation help. O-ra-ri-o.
Repeat after me.
Mi horario es de 8 a 4.
Great job.
Now let's practice a casual conversation.
Hola, Carlos. ¿Estás libre mañana?
Sí, estoy libre después de las 2.
Perfecto. ¿Podemos tomar un café?
Claro, nos vemos a las 3.
That's exactly how many native speakers talk.
Short, simple, and natural.
Let's look at WhatsApp-style Spanish.
Many people send messages like,
¿Llegas a tiempo?
Voy un poco tarde. I'm running a little late.
Repeat after me.
Voy un poco tarde.
Pronunciation help.
Tarde sounds like tarde.
Another useful message is,
Ya voy. I'm on my way.
repeat after me. Ya voy. Native speakers use this phrase constantly.
Let's practice listening.
Listen carefully.
Tengo una cita a las 4.
That means I have an appointment at 4.
Another one.
La reunión empieza en 10 minutos.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Great.
Here's another practical situation.
You're asking for directions and timing.
¿Cuánto tiempo se tarda? How long does it take?
Repeat after me.
¿Cuánto tiempo se tarda?
A possible answer is,
Se tarda 20 minutos.
it takes 20 minutes.
Very useful while traveling. Let's practice a mini conversation.
¿A qué hora abre la tienda?
Abre a las 9.
¿Y a qué hora cierra?
Cierra a las 6.
Excellent.
Notice how we're using time naturally in daily life.
Stores, schools, meetings, restaurants, and transportation all require these expressions.
Here's a pronunciation tip.
Spanish speakers connect words smoothly.
Instead of saying,
Tengo una reunión.
try saying,
Tengo una reunión.
much more natural.
Repeat after me.
Tengo una reunión a las 3.
Excellent.
Here's one final daily conversation.
¿Qué haces después del trabajo?
Voy a casa y ceno con mi familia.
¿A qué hora cenas?
Normalmente ceno a las 7:30.
Perfecto.
That's a very common everyday conversation.
Remember, the goal isn't to memorize hundreds of words.
The goal is to use a small number of useful phrases confidently.
Quick review.
We learned how to talk about routines, appointments, schedules, free time, meetings, and daily plans.
We also practice texting phrases, travel phrases, and natural conversations.
Now let's look at some common mistakes learners make when talking about time and schedules in Spanish.
Before we continue, let's talk about some common mistakes. Don't worry if you've made any of these mistakes before. Every Spanish learner does at some point.
Absolutely. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. The important thing is to notice them and improve.
Our first common mistake is directly translating from English.
Here's an example.
Wrong. Yo tengo 25 años viejo.
Correct. Tengo 25 años. I am 25 years old.
When talking about age, Spanish doesn't use the same structure as English.
The same thing happens with time expressions.
Wrong. Es ocho horas.
Correct. Son las ocho. It's 8 o'clock.
Repeat after me.
Son las ocho.
Excellent.
Another common mistake is forgetting a las when talking about a specific time.
For example,
Wrong. Trabajo ocho.
correct. Trabajo a las ocho. I work at 8.
Repeat after me.
Trabajo a las ocho.
Great job.
Mistake number 3 is pronunciation.
Many learners pronounce hora incorrectly.
Remember, the H is silent in Spanish,
So hora sounds like oda.
not hora. Repeat after me. Hora.
¿Qué hora es?
Excellent.
Another pronunciation challenge is reunión.
Some learners say every syllable separately.
Native speakers say it more smoothly.
Reunión.
Repeat after me.
Reunión.
Tengo una reunión a las 3.
Great pronunciation practice.
Mistake number 4 is mixing formal and informal Spanish.
Imagine you're talking to your boss.
Using casual language might sound strange.
Informal.
¿A qué hora llegas?
Formal.
¿A qué hora llega usted?
Both are correct, but the situation matters.
Here's a funny example.
Imagine meeting the president of a company and saying,
Oye, ¿a qué hora llegas?
grammatically correct, but probably too casual.
That's why understanding context is important.
Let's practice some corrections,
I'll say the wrong sentence.
and then we'll fix it.
Wrong. Mi clase empieza en 9.
Correct. Mi clase empieza a las 9.
Wrong. Es las 5.
Correct. Son las 5.
Wrong. La hora.
Correct. Hora.
Great work.
Here's why these mistakes happen.
Usually, learners are thinking in English while trying to speak Spanish.
Instead, try learning complete phrases.
For example,
¿Qué hora es?
son las 8.
Estoy libre esta tarde.
Tengo una reunión a las 3.
Learning complete phrases makes speaking much easier.
Here's a quick challenge.
How would you say,
I have a meeting at 4.
the answer is,
Tengo una reunión a las 4.
excellent.
And how would you say,
I'm free tomorrow.
Estoy libre mañana?
Perfect.
Remember, don't aim for perfection. Aim for communication.
The more you speak, the more natural Spanish will become.
Keep practicing every day, and these common mistakes will gradually disappear.
Great work so far. Now it's time for some interactive practice.
This is your chance to think like a Spanish speaker and choose the most natural sentence.
Situation number 1.
You want to ask someone what time it is.
Option A, ¿qué hora es? Option B, ¿cuál hora es? Which one sounds natural?
The correct answer is option A. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it?
Repeat after me.
¿Qué hora es?
Excellent.
Situation number 2.
You want to say, I work at 8. Option A, trabajo 8. Option B, trabajo a las 8.
The correct answer is option B.
Trabajo a las 8. I work at 8.
Remember the phrase a las when talking about a specific time.
Repeat after me. Trabajo a las 8. Great job.
Situation number 3.
You're texting a friend and you're running late.
Option A, voy un poco tarde.
Option B, estoy una tarde.
The correct answer is option A.
Voy un poco tarde. I'm running a little late.
This is a phrase native speakers use all the time.
Repeat after me.
Voy un poco tarde.
Excellent.
Situation number 4.
You're asking a friend what time you're meeting.
Option A, ¿a qué hora nos vemos?
Option B, ¿qué hora nos vemos?
The correct answer is option A.
¿A qué hora nos vemos? What time shall we meet?
Fantastic.
Repeat after me.
¿A qué hora nos vemos?
Situation number 5.
You're speaking to your manager.
Which sounds more appropriate?
Option A, ¿a qué hora llegas?
Option B, ¿a qué hora llega usted?
The better choice in a formal situation is option B.
¿A qué hora llega usted?
Formal Spanish helps you sound polite and professional.
Let's do a quick pronunciation challenge.
Repeat after me slowly.
Reunión.
Reunión.
Tengo una reunión a las 3.
Excellent.
One more.
Hora.
Hora. ¿Qué hora es?
Fantastic pronunciation. Now create your own sentence.
Think about your schedule tomorrow.
Try saying it in Spanish.
Maybe something like,
Trabajo a las 9.
or tengo una clase a las 10, or estoy libre por la tarde. Say your sentence out loud.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from memorizing rules.
Focus on communicating your ideas clearly.
Even simple Spanish is powerful Spanish.
And remember, communication is more important than perfection.
Congratulations! You've completed today's lesson on talking about time and schedules in Spanish.
You covered a lot of useful Spanish today.
Let's quickly review what we learned.
First, we learned how to ask and tell time using expressions like ¿Qué hora es? And son las ocho.
Second, we learned how to talk about schedules and appointments.
Phrases like Tengo una reunión a las 3 and Mi clase empieza a las 9 are extremely useful in daily life.
Third, we practiced real conversations for texting, travel, work, and meeting friends.
These are the kinds of conversations you'll hear every day in Spanish-speaking countries.
If some phrases still feel difficult, that's completely normal.
Learning a language is a process, and every practice session helps.
Try using today's phrases throughout your day.
Ask yourself questions in Spanish.
What time do I wake up?
What time do I work?
What time do I eat dinner?
Small daily practice creates big results over time.
We'd love to hear from you.
What's your daily schedule? Try writing a few sentences in Spanish in the comments.
And tell us what Spanish topic you'd like us to cover next on SpanishBuddy.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep building your confidence.
We'll be back soon with another real Spanish conversation lesson.
See you next time.